Whoa, hope you're all doing well today. Well, today I got something different to show you. This is the Zippo hand warmer. We'll be getting to that coming right up. Well, winter's coming on, and I actually bought this as a gift for my son. He works at a golf course, and he's out there in the weather all day long. So I figured this would come in very handy. We'll be opening this up and taking a look at it. One of the things I think would be the best way to use this is if you have like a pullover sweatshirt with one of those pockets that goes, you can stick a hand on each side and they connect inside. You can stick this in there and warm it up. Now, Zippo does have two different models that I've seen. There might be more. This one here will run for, it says up to 12 hours, but then I noticed on the back here it says 17.5 hours. So, anyway, now this does come in several different colors, and they even have it in camouflage, black, pink, I think. I'll put some pictures. In fact, let's take a quick break real quick. I'll flash some pictures up on the screen. If you want to read it or look at it a little better, just pause and then unpause to get back to the video. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. I do have an overhead camera going, so hopefully, and the packaging doesn't matter. My son's already seen it. In fact, he's coming over today to pick it up. Now, another thing you can do with this is, in the wintertime, if you're camping or something, you can fill this up with fluid. If it's really cold, stick it down inside your sleeping bag. Now, if you do that, do not stick your head down in the sleeping bag to stay warmer. This is going to be letting off carbon monoxide, and you will not like the results in the morning because you probably won't be waking up. But you can stick it down inside your sleeping bag as long as you keep your head outside of it. So let's open this up. Show you a picture there. Looks nice. Look at that, nice and shiny. Now it does come with a attention sticker on the back, which I cannot read. Comes with a nice little pouch. From what I understand, when you light this, you want to make sure you use this pouch, because what it does is it kind of chokes off some of the oxygen getting to it, makes it burn longer and not quite so hot, and it's not going to burn your hands. If it's outside of this, I'm told that gets a lot warmer and it burns through the fuel quicker. It comes with this little filling jug. It's got the little fill line on it right there. What you do is you fill this up through that hole right there, and then it's got a little pour spout, and you pour it into your hand warmer. Now, the way this works, there will be no flame showing. It works just like a catalytic converter. There's a little pour hole right there where you would take your container and fill it up through there, and that line on there is the optimal amount for burning for 12 hours. Then once you put the fuel in there, what you're going to want to do is put the cap back on, like so, and then take a lighter and hold it down here. Like I said, this works kind of like a catalytic converter. So you're going to want to put a lighter down under here until this starts giving off heat. You'll be able to tell. Then once it starts giving off heat, put the cap on, stick it down inside your little pouch here, and you're good to go. I know this is just a short video, but I wanted to show you this, give you some ideas. They've been around for a long time. Different companies have made them. Matter of fact, I remember many years ago when I was a kid, I had seen one and it had a bigger hole right here where you could stick your cigarette through there to light it. So, and then to snuff this out, if you want to do that and conserve the fuel, or if you're done using it for the day, with a pair of leather gloves on or something that you can grab this, because this is going to be extremely hot. You do not want to be touching this with your hands. So what you want to do is just pop that off, let it stay off for a little while, and then just put it back on, put the cap on, and put it away. Now, even though you've done that, turned it off, it's still, the fuel in there is going to evaporate. And this cork does have a nice little bead, so you can draw that closed and kind of help hold it in there. But the fuel will still evaporate even though you shut it off and put it back in this like this. So now if you're just going to go inside somewhere for a couple hours, you can come back out and light it back up, and I'm sure there's still going to be fuel in it. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, go down, hit that subscribe button, click that little bell icon so you'll be notified next time we upload a video. Please share, like, subscribe. The more people that click that like button, the higher up in the rankings YouTube will set our videos to be watched. So anyway, till next time, stay prepared. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.